Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Now, Krishna took the position of Guru and he began to instruct. Tam uvacha Rishikesha. Rishikesha, Krishna's another name is Rishikesha. Rishikesha means Rishika Isha. Rishik means the senses and Isha the master. Therefore, Krishna is the master of our senses. Everyone's senses. That will be explained in the 13th chapter. The Khetragancha Vimanga Vidhi Sarva Khetreshu Bharat. In this body there are two living entities. One is myself, the individual soul, Atma, and the other is Krishna, Paramatma. Ishara Sarvabhutanam Riddhesha Arjuna Tishtati. So actually the proprietor is Paramatma. I am given the chance to use it. So my senses, so-called my senses, that is not my senses. I have not created my hand. The hand is created by God, by Krishna, through the agency of this material nature. And I have given the hand to use it for my purpose, for my eating, for my collecting. But actually it is not my hand. Otherwise, when this hand becomes paralyzed, I am claiming my hand, I cannot use it. Because the power of the hand is withdrawn by the proprietor. Just like in a house, rented house, you are living. If the proprietor of the house, landlord, eject you cannot live there. You cannot use it. Similarly, we can use this body as long as the real proprietor of the body, Rishikesha, allows me to stay here. Therefore, Krishna's name is Rishikesh. And this Krishna consciousness movement means that we have accepted the senses from Krishna. It should be used for Krishna. Instead of using it for Krishna, we are using it for our sense gratification. This is our miserable condition of life. It's like you are living in a place for which you have to pay rent, but if you don't pay rent, you think that it is your property, then there is trouble. Similarly, Rishikesha means the real proprietor is Krishna. I have been given this property. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Ishara sarvabhutana riddhese arjuna tishtati brahmayan sarvabhutani jantra rudhani maya. Jantra, it is a machine. This machine has been given by Krishna to me. Just because I desire that if I get a machine like a human body, then I can enjoy like this. So Krishna fulfills your desire. All right. And if I think, if I get a machine in which I can directly suck blood of other animals, all right, Krishna says, you take the machine of a tiger's body and use it. So this is going on. Therefore his name is Rishikesha. And when we understand properly that I am not the proprietor of this body, Krishna is the proprietor of the body, I wanted a certain type of body to use it for my sense gratification. He has given it and I am not happy. Therefore, I shall learn how to use this machine for the proprietor. This is called bhakti. Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam Bhakti Ruchyate. When these senses, because Krishna is the proprietor of the senses, he is the proprietor of this body. So when this body will be utilized for Krishna's service, that is our perfection of life.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama